welcome to this video. We will now learn about the main data structures supported by Python. The modules ahead have several examples quoted. It is advisable that you try out these exercises alongside in the Python interpreter. The idea is to give you a quick and comfortable start with different data structures in Python. The built-in data structures in Python include lists, tuples, strings, dictionaries, sets, and frozen sets. Strings are ordered sequences, which can only contain characters, whereas lists and tuples are like arrays, and can contain any type of objects. Sets are mutable unordered sequences, and frozen sets are immutable sets. Let us now discuss each of these in detail. We start with lists. List is a mutable object, like a one-dimensional array. There are several methods associated with it. Some of them are listed over here. Let us now try out each of these methods in an IPython notebook. The first one is append. Append is used to add items to the list. Here we are adding elements to the list called commodities_list, and then viewing it. The next one is remove. Items can be deleted from the list using remove. We remove copper from the list that we just created, and let's view it. The next one is the for loop. A for loop is used to iterate through the list. Here, the variable item takes values within the list for each iteration, and prints the items, example, gold and silver, which are present in the list. The next one is if. Searching for an item in a list is also very simple. You can check if an item is present in a list by using the keyword if as shown. We first search for the item gold in the list. If it is present, the code prints we want gold. Now let's execute and see. So gold is present. Similarly, we search for the item crude in this list. Here, the condition says print crude missing, if crude is not present, which is true, and we see the output as crude missing. This command that you see on the screen is used to slice a list. Before slicing, let us add another element crude to the list. The first command slices elements with index 2, and so the output is crude. The next one slices and shows elements before index 1, which is gold. The next method is index. It searches for an element in the list and returns its index. Before we try this out, let us append one more element, gold, to the list, and the list looks something like this. It has gold twice, since we've added it 2 times. Now, when we first search for index of gold, it returns the index for the first occurrence of gold, which is 0. When we say commodities_list gold, 2, we actually want the index for the second occurrence of gold, which is 3 in this case. The next command is insert. This command inserts an element at the desired position or index in a list. Here we insert gold again, but at index 2, which is the third position in the list. Now let us view the list. We see that gold has been inserted at the third position. Next we have the method pop. This command removes the last element of the list. Let us try to implement it. We see that gold is removed from the list, because it was the last element. Similarly, you can try out functions like sort, count, reverse, etc., and see the results.